Om Dhimate Namaha.
Dhimate Namaha. This is the dative case. So, Namaha means I offer my salutations. To whom? Dhimate means Dhiman. Dhiman means one who has intelligence, one who is intelligent. Viveka Purusha, Viveki, Vivekananda. One who can discern what is right, what is wrong, what is the need of the society. That's called Dhiman. But grammatically, Dhiman means Dhihi Asya Asti iti Dhiman. Whoever has an intellect is called Dhiman. You and I have intellect, isn't it? One who has a violin, can we call him violinist? Anybody carrying violin, he's a violinist. Then I'll be carrying violin myself. Anybody merely carrying a violin cannot be a violinist. He may be a violent person, not a violinist. Merely having the instrument is, you should know how to use it. So, Dhiman really means one who knows how to use the intellect, not abuse or misuse. We are having intellect, but we don't know how to use it. Either we are misusing it or abusing it. That's what is our tragedy. So, Buddhiman, that's why in Lord Krishna in chapter 15, 15th chapter, last verse, what did he say? Thank you. Last verse, he said, Etad buddhva buddhiman syat. Kritakratyascha bharata. Etad, having known this knowledge, then buddhiman bhava. Having known this sacred knowledge, then what you should do? Be buddhiman, live that. Mere knowing is not enough. You have to live it as well. Like if you put sugar in your coffee, 2 spoons, big spoons, and then you drink, you don't get the sweetness in the coffee. Why? You did not kalkify. Kalkify means, it's a Tamil word. You did not stir it. You did not churn it. So to this knowledge is put, if you don't churn it in reflection, you cannot feel, you cannot taste the sweetness of the knowledge, and you can't live it in your transactions. So, studying, listening, reflection, and living it. That's called Buddhiman. But majority do not use Buddhi. Do you know why? I'm not asking why you don't use Buddhi. I'm asking majority do not use. Why? There's a very nice reason. Because to live, there is no need to use Buddhi. Now you think over. You can live a few seconds without breathing. How many seconds you can live without breathing? Without breathing, you can live for a few seconds. Right? Without water, for a few hours. Without food, few days. Without thinking, forever. Isn't it? Therefore, we do not use Buddhi. Because and they say thinking is a liability. So very difficult to think, Swamiji. You tell me what to do, I do. But don't tell me to think. Because thinking is, my bonnet gets heated up. That's why I put so much of chandan, to cool it down. Isn't it? This is what. So, thinking is not easy.
Om Dhimate Namaha.